Saw your question on discussion board. You want to use, this is a normal approximation, so you want to use the normal calculator. So you can use Stat Crunch or do it by hand, or use your calculator. I have Stat Crunch here. If you choose Stat Calculators and the normal calculator, that's what I've chose to use here. Now in this answer, the first part of the question, you've already answered it. The mean for this sample proportion is 0.58. I entered that here. Standard deviation for this sample proportion is 0.0156, and I ended here. So they want to know when you have what's the probability of obtaining 610 or more individuals with that characteristic, and it's out of a sample of 1,000. And so you need to take the 610 and divide that by 1,000, and that gives you 0.61. And if you look over here, I put in a P, and when X is greater than 0.61, and then you click compute, and it'll give you the answer that you need to round to 4 decimal places. Hope this helps.